Sneezing is your body's surprising way of saying, "Hey, I've got this." When dust or germs enter, it triggers a sudden explosive sneeze reaction. Your nose can detect irritants instantly in 1/1000th of a second, much faster than you can blink an eye or suddenly say "achoo" loudly. The average sneeze travels at up to 100 miles per hour, roughly the speed of a speeding sports car on the highway rapidly. Sneezing is a complex bodily process involving your entire brain, nerves, and various muscles, all working together in perfect sudden harmony always. When you sneeze, your body instantly closes your eyes tightly, stops your breathing completely, and contracts 20+ muscles rapidly in just 1 or 4 seconds suddenly. Some people sneeze when they see bright lights, a condition known as photic sneezing. Is that really your condition? A common genetic quirk? Sneezes can be surprisingly contagious. Just hearing someone else sneeze loudly can unexpectedly trigger one in you too, instantly and uncontrollably. The world's most prolific sneezer sneezed for 978 consecutive days straight. Now that's quite an incredible record breaker for you to believe. So next time you sneeze unexpectedly, smile. You're just giving your nose a superhero moment, proving your amazing nose is way smarter than you think.